Compound interest, A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. A is the final amount, P the principal starting amount. R, rate as a percent, N how many times it's applied per time period. T equals the number of time periods elapsed. Ooh. Okay, so calculate the value of a deposit of $1,000. So deposit means how much you put in, that's your starting amount. So it's going to write down these variables. P equals 1,000. Compounded semi-annual. Semi means 2 per year. Alright, and how many times? So that's our N right there. N is 2. Let's see, compounded 8 years. Number of time periods it's going to be done for. That's your T is 8 years. And your rate is 6%, where R is the rate as a percent. Ooh, that should say as a decimal. I'll check that on the test, but I'm pretty sure it says a decimal point 0.06. Alright, so that's our R. So really, I think on your test it's even spelled out for you, saying, hey, P is this, etc., etc. We're not trying to test you over whether you can use the formula. It's more of a case of, can you type it into your calculator correctly? So there's everything substituted in. You can just see here. So there's my P, how much I started with. My rate, 0.06 as a as a decimal. My N, twice per year. My N, twice per year. And my T is 8 years. So there's the equation. So I'm just going to get my calculator and calculate it. Now there is one little tricky part, so make sure you're watching here. 1,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 in parentheses raised to the, and I just have to make sure I get the whole 2 times 8 up there. Sometimes you'll have to use parentheses. On my calculator I don't. But there we go, that's going to calculate it just straight out for me. And I go, okay, well this equals 1,000, this is in dollars, $604, and we'd go to hundreds here for 71 cents. And that would be our answer to 21.